Ladies and gentlemen, we are changing the conventional boiler to the combi boiler. As you see, we remove the floor. When you try to cut the floor, make sure just adjust your tools according to the thickness of the floor. Otherwise, you're going to cut your pipe because the pipes are so close to the surface. In this case, why they don't go deeper? Because they don't want to weaken your joist. So as you see, these two, they go downstairs. One of them is return, one of them is supply. This for upstairs one. It's radiator. And make sure you see the line like this with the pencil. And here, normally they mark it so you know where your pipes are. Normally they do, but make sure, even if you want to tighten your floor with the nails or screws, by accident you can go through these ones. Make sure you see the line on the board, otherwise you're gonna go straight to your pipes. I'll show you bathroom. The hot water, cold water. It's all the pipes come in. We chopped the pipes, some of the pipes we chopped off, coming from the hot water tank and coming from the cold water tank in your loft. In this case, you see the hot water and cold water coming on the corner. This for your toilet, cold water, and the thick one is normally 22 mil for your central heating, and then it become 15. But some people they use 10. If you want to change it to combi boiler, they're not gonna work because you're gonna lose the pressure. It's gonna be the pressure on your combi boiler. All must be 15 mil to your radiator and 22. So that's it. So see you in the next part. Thanks for watching. Bye.